Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, a student of the Brisang Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on non-technical topic that is the world after COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic, which started in late 2019, has significantly changed the world in many ways. Almost every aspect of our daily lives, from health to the economy, education, and the way we interact with one another, has been affected. As we move forward in the post-pandemic world, it's essential to understand how life has changed and that what lesson we have learned. First and foremost, one of the most significant changes after COVID-19 is the focus on health and hygiene. The pandemic made us realize the importance of basic hygiene practice, such as washing hands regularly, working masks in public spaces, and maintaining social distance. Even through the worst of the pandemic might be over, uh, people are still cautious about their health, and these practices continue to be part of daily life, especially in crowded places. Another major shifts in the healthcare system worldwide. The pandemic exposed weakness in many countries. Healthcare system, such as lack of hospital beds, insufficient medical supplies, and the need for better preparedness. As a result, nations are now investing more in their healthcare infrastructures, ensuring that they are better equipped to handle any future crisis. Uh, the economy too has undergone a transformation. Many businesses were forced to close or reduce their operations during the pandemic, leading to massive job losses and economic slowdowns. However, it also accelerated the digital transformation of industries. Companies adapted by allowing employees to work from home, and many businesses move their operations online. The shift toward remote work and digital services is expected to remain, as it has proven to be insufficient and convenient for both employers and employees. Education has also changed dramatically during the pandemic. Schools and universities across the world shifted to online learning to continue educating students. While this transition was challenging, it opened up new opportunities for distance learning and using technology in education. Moving towards a blend of traditional in-person learning and online education may become the norm, offering students more flexibility. Socially, the pandemic has had a profound impact. It taught us the value of human connections and community. During lockdowns, people felt isolated, which led to an increase in mental health issue. However, it also fostered a sense of togetherness, with communities coming together to support one another. Many people now prioritize spending time with family and friends, and there is a renewed appreciation for personal interactions. On the global scale, COVID-19 highlighted the importance of international cooperations. Countries had to work together to develop vaccines, share information, and provide aid to those in need. The pandemic emphasized the fact that health crises are global, problems and require global solutions. Moving forward, stronger international partnership will be necessary to tackle other pressing issues such as climate change and economic inequalities. In conclusion, the world after COVID 19 is different but not necessary worse. We have learned valuable lessons about health, the importance of adaptability, and the need for solidarity, while the challenges brought by the pandemic were immense. They have also paved the way for positive changes in many areas of life. As we continue to rebuild and move forward, these lessons will help us create a more resilient and united world. This is all about the COVID 19, word after COVID 19. Thank you.